Question 1a, simplify without using tables or calculator this fraction. Let us start by taking the numerator first. The numerator is this. Convert the mixed fractions in the bracket to improper fraction. You have this result. From the rule of Bodmer's, you need to simplify the bracket first. And in the bracket, you have like fractions, the same denominator. You simply add the numerators in this form. So you have 3 over 4 times 40 over 8. Now divide 40 by 4. You have 10 in this place. You reduce 10 and 8 by 2. Here remains 4. Here becomes 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So you have 15 over 4. Take the denominator. You have it in this form. Convert the mixed fractions to improper fraction. You have this result. What you have is fraction subtraction. You find the LCM of 8 and 2. That is 8. If you divide 8 by 8, you have 1 times 17 is 17. Divide 8 by 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. If you subtract, you have 5 over 8. Now let's take the whole fraction. Numerator divide by denominator. You have it in this form. When dividing fractions, we always change division sign to multiplication, and you invert the fraction at the right in this form. If you reduce, you have this, and finally you have 6 as the final result. Question 1b, given that log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 base 10 equal to 0.4771, evaluate correct to 2SF and without using tables or calculator, log 1.125 over base 10. Now you are expected to simplify this problem to log 3 and log 2. First, let us convert it from decimal fraction to ordinary fraction. That gives you this. Divide through by 5. You have this result. Divide through by 5 again. You have this result. Divide through by 5 again. You have this result. Now what you have is quotient. From quotient rule, you can express this as log 9 base 10 minus log 8 base 10. To have 2 and 3, you can express 9 as 3. That is log 3 square base 10 minus log 2 cube base 10. By the power law of logarithm, power 2 and 3 are used to multiply their respective logarithm in this form. So you have 2 bracket open, log 3 is 0.4771 bracket close minus 3 bracket open log 2, that is 0.3010. If you multiply, you get this result. If you simplify, you get this. To 2SF, you have 0.051.